Hi students, good afternoon everybody. So in the last video we have started our third supplementary, The Hour of Truth by Percival Wilde. Okay, now let us continue, and before continuing let us have a small sum up of what we have seen in the last class, that is in the last video. So what are all the characters here? Robert Baldwin, so he is the personal working as a personal secretary for Mr. Gresham in the bank, and also he is the father of John and Eve, and Martha is his wife, and Martha is the mother of John and Eve, and wife of Robert Baldwin. Okay, and Mr. Marshall is the head of the Third National Bank. Okay, and these are the characters, and what we have seen in the last classes. So everyone is having a conversation regarding at Baldwin's home. So what is the conversation is? It is that there is a robbery in the bank, and Gresham is the cause for the robbery. Okay, and Martha, Eve and John were discussing about this. When they are discussing about this, so John is telling that he had met Donovan. So who is Donovan? So Donovan is the assistant cashier in the bank. So actually John, Eve and Martha was hearing from the newspaper that there was a crash in the bank. There is a robbery in the bank. There is a crash in the bank and the depositors have lost all the money. And as Mr. Baldwin is also working in the bank, they were feeling tensed of the situation and they were discussing about that. Okay, and John is telling that he had met Donovan, the assistant cashier, the previous day, and he too doesn't know anything about the matter, and actually he was depending on the bank for his income, and that's why he got married. Okay, this is the explanation given by Donovan. Okay, and whether Eve is asking whether father had known anything about that, but John is telling that Donovan says the government Baldwin must have known about the robbery in the bank. Okay, and when they were discussing about this, John is feeling little bit angry. That is, Mr. Gresham had paid very low salary for the employees. Okay, besides paying low salary, why he should rob the bank? Okay, so why he is underpaying, besides underpaying his employees, why he had to rob the depositors' money? Okay, so when they were talking about this, so this is what we have seen in the previous class. So when they were talking about this, let us continue. There is the click of a latch key outside. Eve makes for the door. Okay, so when they were discussing about this, they are hearing a sound of opening the door, and Eve makes for the door. So Eve is going to the door to open it. John, hello dad. So John is after, who is coming now? Mr. Baldwin, father of John and Eve and husband of Martha, is coming in. Okay, so soon after seeing his father, John is telling, hello dad. Baldwin is replying, how are you my boy? He shakes hand with John. So he is giving a shake hand with John. Eve, he kisses her. So he is kissing his daughter Eve. John, well dad, don't you think it is about time you told us something? Okay, so what John is asking, don't you think you have to tell us something? Told you something? Enna sollano? I don't understand, John. Enna kekkuren enakku puriyala. What I have to say? So John is replying, people have been talking about you, saying things. Okay, so what John is replying is, so எல்லாரும் உங்களை பற்றி ஏதோ எல்லாம் பேசிக்கிறாங்க. Don't you want to say anything about that? Now a thing is given for us to understand. Another senior member of the bank, Baldwin, father of John and Eve and husband of Martha, is however believed to be honest. Okay, so Baldwin is another senior person working in the bank. So he is the father of John and Evie and husband of Martha. He is believed to be a honest person. Baldwin ஒரு ஹானஸ்ட் பர்சன். ஓகே, ஸோ அப்படிங்கிறது எல்லாரோட பிலீஃப். Balvin, what kind of things, John? Okay, so what people are talking about me? John is telling, you can imagine. ஸோ உங்களால் அதை இமேஜின் பண்ண முடியும் என்ன எதை பற்றி பேசுவாங்கன்னு. ராட்டன் திங்ஸ் அப்படின்னா, ஸோ தே ஆர் பீப்புள் ஆர் டாக்கிங் வெரி சீப் அபவுட் யூ அண்ட் அபவுட் த பேங்க் அண்ட் அபவுட் Gresham, everything. And I could not contradict them. Okay, contradict means to say something opposite. ஓகே, இப்போ யாராவது ஏதாவது சொல்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னா அதுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டாக இல்லை அது கரெக்டு தான், அப்படிலாம் கிடையாது அப்படின்னு அப்போஸ் பண்ணி பேசுகிறது. ஓகே, ஸோ ஜான் குட் நாட் கான்ட்ராடிக்ட் டு த ஒப்பீனியன் ஆஃப் த பீப்புள் சொல்கிறதுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டாக ஜானால் பேச முடியல, என்னால் பேச முடியல. ஸோ பீப்புள் ஆர் டாக்கிங் அபவுட் யூ அண்ட் த பேங்க். பால்வின், வை நாட் ஜான்? ஏன் உன்னால் கரெக்டாக பேச முடியல? ஹூ இஸ் டெல்லிங்? பால்வின் இஸ் டெல்லிங், because I did not know. So what is the reply of John is, because I didn't know what is correct, so I couldn't talk anything. Balvin, did you have to know? உனக்கு கண்டிப்பாக தெரியணுமா? Wasn't it enough that you knew your father? Okay, so wasn't it enough that you knew your father? ஸோ உன்னோட அப்பா எப்படி அப்படிங்கிறது உனக்கு தெரிஞ்சா பத்தாதா? Who is telling? Balvin is telling. John, after a pause, after a gap, I beg your pardon, sir. So sorry, Dad. He is telling. Who is telling? John is telling. Balvin, it was only a day before the smash up that I found that Gresham was doing. He passes. They are listening intently. I told him he would have to make good. He said he couldn't. Okay. So it was only a day before the smash up. So smash up means before the collapse. Okay, it was only a day before the smash up that I found out what Gresham was doing. So இந்த கொலாப்ஸ்க்கு ஒரு நாள் முன்னாடி தான் Gresham என்ன பண்ணுறாரு அப்படிங்கிறது எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சது. After telling this, he is giving a pass. They are listening intently. Who are listening? John, Evie and Martha. I told him he would have to make good. I told whom? Balvin is telling, I told Gresham that you have to do something good, but he said he could not. But Gresham enna sollitarna, no, I could not do anything good. And what happened? So Eve is asking, so apra ennachu, what happened? Balvin is telling, I told him he would have to do the best he could, and the first step would be to close the bank. He did not want to do that. Okay, I told Gresham that he would have to do the best he could, and the first step would be to close the bank. So கண்டிப்பாக நீங்கள் ஏதாவது ஒரு பெஸ்ட் திங்கை பண்ணி தான் ஆகணும்னு நான் சொன்னேன் கிரஷாம்கிட்ட. அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா, let us close the bank அப்படின்னு நான் சொன்னேன். But he did not want to do that. Who did not want to do that? Gresham did not want to do that. Martha is telling, but he did it. ஆனால் அவர் பேங்க்கை க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டாரே. Balvin is telling, I made him do it. நான் தான் அவரை பேங்க் க்ளோஸ் பண்ண வச்சேன். He was angry, very angry, but I had the whip hand. Whip hand means I had the control. Okay. So Gresham was very angry on me for making him to close the bank, but I had the whip hand. But control எல்லாம் யார்கிட்ட இருந்ததுன்னா, control is with me. The papers did not mention that. Okay, papers means here newspapers. The papers didn't mention that. Balvin, I didn't think it was necessary to tell them. So newspapersக்கெல்லாம் நான் சொல்லணும் அப்படிங்கிறது I didn't think it as very important to tell to the newspapers. Martha is telling, but you let your name rest under a cloud meanwhile. But ஆனால் உங்களோட நேமும் இதில் வந்துருச்சு இல்லையா? Why? Because என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, Gresham had called Balvin இல்லையா? Gresham வந்து பால்வினை கூப்பிட்டுருக்காங்க. ஸோ அதை பற்றி தான் அவங்க வீட்டில் வந்து பேசிகிட்டு இருக்கும்போது now Balvin is coming home. Okay, so but you let your name rest under a cloud. Rest under a cloud means in a doubt. உங்களோட நேமும் டவுட் லிஸ்ட்டில் தானே இருக்குது. Who is telling? Martha, Balvin's wife. So John is also telling slowly, yes, I suppose so. நானும் அப்படி தான் நினைக்கிறேன். Your name is also under doubt. Martha, after a gap, will the depositors lose much, Robert? So Martha is asking, will the depositors lose a lot of money? Whom she is asking? She is asking to Robert Baldwin. Robert Baldwin is the full name of Baldwin. Okay. So Baldwin is replying, the depositors will not lose a cent. We were able to save something from the wreck, Gresham and I. It was more than I had expected, almost twice as much. And with that, Gresham has it will be enough. And with what Gresham has, it will be enough. Okay, so what Baldwin is replying is, the depositors will not lose a cent. No, the depositors will not lose anything. We were able to save something from the wreck. So bank collapse lerinde we were able to save something. Whom? Yaar save பண்ணி வச்சிருக்காங்க money அப்படின்னா Gresham and Baldwin. It was more than I had expected, almost twice as much. நான் எதிர்பார்த்ததை விட twice amount of money we have saved. And with what Gresham has, it will be enough. So Gresham கிட்ட இருக்கிறது it will be enough to deposit. It will be enough to give to the depositors, even without the 100,000. Sorry pa, I have to continue from here. Okay, so Baldwin is telling, it will be cleared tomorrow. So what will be cleared? The doubt will be cleared tomorrow, won't it? Today Gresham sent for me. The trial begins in 24 hours. I am the only witness against him. He asked, you can guess what? Okay, so it will be cleared tomorrow. So the doubt will be cleared tomorrow. Today Gresham sent for me. இன்னைக்கு Gresham என்ன வர சொல்லியிருந்தாரு. The trial begins in 24 hours. So in the case courtல இன்னொரு 24 hoursல so there will be என்ன சொல்கிறது, விசாரணைக்கு வரும்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, that is the trial begins in 24 hours. I am the only witness against him. So Greshamக்கு against only witness யாருன்னா நான் தான். He asked, you can guess what? Okay, அவர் என்கிட்ட கேட்டாரு, யாரு? He refers to Gresham. So you can guess what? என்ன கேட்டிருப்பாருங்கிறத you can guess. John, so John is telling, he wanted you lie to save his skin. Wanted you to perjure yourself. Okay, so what John is telling is indignantly means angrily. Okay, so John is telling angrily, he wanted you lie to save his skin. Okay, அவர் என்ன கேட்டிருப்பாரு உங்களை, அவரை சேவ், பிகாஸ் you are the only witness. Baldwin is the only witness against Gresham. அதனால உங்களை பொய் சொல்லியிருப்பாரு. வாண்டட் யூ டு ப்ரீஜூர் யுவர் செல்ஃப். ஓகே, ஸோ உங்களை ஃபால்ஸாக ஒரு ப்ராமிஸ் பண்ண சொல்லியிருப்பாரு. தட்ஸ் வை அவர் என்ன பண்ணியிருப்பார், உங்களை வர சொல்லியிருப்பாரு. Baldwin is telling, that won't be necessary, John. He just wanted me to have an attack of poor memory. If I tell all I know, John Gresham will go to jail. No power on earth can save him from it. But he wants me to forget a little, just the essential things. When they question me, I can answer, I don't remember. They can't prove I do remember. And there you are. Okay, so that would not be necessary, John. Okay, so பொய் சொல்லணும்னு ஒன்றும் இல்லை. He just wanted me to have an attack of poor memory. Okay, so எதுக்கு கிரஷாம் என்ன கூப்பிட்டாரு அப்படின்னா, என்ன சொல்கிறது, he just wanted me to have an attack of poor memory. என்னோட மெமரியை வந்து நான் கொஞ்சம் லாஸ் பண்ண மாதிரி நான் ஒரு நாளைக்கு கோர்ட்டில் பிஹேவ் பண்ணால் போதும். If I tell all I know, John Gresham will go to jail. No power on earth can save him from it. Okay, எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சதெல்லாம் நான் சொல்லிட்டேன் அப்படின்னா, definitely John Gresham has to go to prison. No power on earth. So nothing on earth can save him from the punishment. But he wants me to forget a little. Just the essential things. Important things. நான் கொஞ்சம் important thingsலாம் மறந்துடணும்னு அவர் நினைக்கிறாரு. When they question me, I can answer, I don't remember. Okay, in the court when they are questioning me tomorrow, நான் என்ன ஆன்சர் சொல்லணும்னு அவர் சொல்கிறாருன்னா ஐ டோன்ட் ரிமெம்பர், எனக்கு ஞாபகம் இல்லை. they can't prove I do remember. so nobody can prove that எனக்கு இதெல்லாம் ஞாபகம் இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறத யாராலையுமே என்ன பண்ண முடியாது. they cannot prove. it would be a lie that okay John is telling. ஸோ அப்படி சொன்னால் அது நீங்கள் பொய் சொல்கிற மாதிரி ஆகிடாதா? it would be a lie. so Balvin smilingly is telling yes of course but it is done every day and they could not touch me any more than they could convict him. okay, but it's done every day. So every day we are speaking some lie and they could not touch me any more than they could convict him. okay, so no, they cannot touch me, they cannot punish me for anything. okay, so touch me here means they cannot punish me for anything any more than they could convict him. so anyhow Gresham will get the punishment. Martha quivering with indignation. so Martha is very angry, so she is shivering with angry. and how dared he ask such a thing? எவ்வளோ தைரியம் இருந்தால் உங்களை பொய் சொல்லி அவர் கேட்பாரு. Eve, what did you say father? ஸோ அவர் அப்படி சொன்னதுக்கு நீங்கள் என்ன சொன்னீங்க? Eve is asking her father. Balvin smiling and raising his eyes to John's. okay, so smile பண்ணிட்டு ஜானை பார்த்து சொல்கிறாரு. well son, what would you have said? okay, so நீயா இருந்திருந்தேன்னா என்ன சொல்லியிருப்ப அப்படின்னு ஜான் கிட்ட கேட்குறாரு. who is asking? Balvin is asking. so John is telling I would have told him to go to the devil. நீ டைரக்டாக ப்ரிசனுக்கு போயிடுன்னு நான் சொல்லியிருப்பேன். okay, Balvin is telling I did but I did not use your words John. he is too old a friend of mine for that. however I didn't mince matters any. he understood what I meant. okay, so what Balvin is telling is I did, நானும் சொன்னேன், but I did not use your words John. நீ சொன்ன மாதிரி டைரக்டாக நான் சொல்லலை, because he is too old a friend of mine for that, because he is my old friend. however I did not mince matters any. இருந்தாலும் நான் எதுவும் சொல்லலை, but he understood what I meant. ஸோ நான் ரெஃப்யூஸ் பண்ணுவேங்கிறத he can understand. and what did he say then? Eve is asking. அப்புறம் அவர் என்ன சொன்னார்? Balvin is telling there was not much to say. ஸோ சொல்கிறதுக்கு ஒன்றும் பெருசாக இல்லை. there was not much to say. you see, he was not surprised. when I refused, Gresham is not surprised. he's known me for 35 years. okay, so Greshamக்கு என்ன எவ்வளோ நாள் தெரியும்னா he's known me for how many years? 35 years. and well, anybody who is known me for 35 years doesn't expect me to haggle with my conscience. so and well, anybody who is known me for 35 years doesn't expect me to haggle with my conscience. okay, so 35 years என்ன தெரிஞ்ச யாருமே they will not try to what is that disagree with my, argue or disagree. haggle means argue or disagree. they will not disagree with my conscience. if it had been anybody else than Gresham, I would have struck him across the face. so Gresham தவிர வேறு யாராவது, if someone is asking me to tell a lie, definitely I will struck him across the face. கண்டிப்பாக உங்களை நான் பனிஷ் பண்ணியிருப்பேன், இல்லை அவங்களுக்கு எகெயின்ஸ்டாக நான் கண்டிப்பாக விட்னஸ் கொடுத்துருப்பேன். but John Gresham and I were boys together. but John Gresham and myself were close friends since our childhood. we worked side by side. so we worked, நாங்கள் ரெண்டு பேரும் ஒன்றாவே வேலை செஞ்சோம். and I have been in his employ ever since he started in for himself. okay, so when he started this bank, அப்போலேருந்து I was working under him as a employee. he is desperate. he doesn't know what he is doing or he would not have offered me money. okay, ஸோ ஹீ இஸ் டெஸ்பரேட். ஸோ அவருக்கு தெரியல, ஹி டசன்ட் நோ வாட் ஹீ இஸ் டூயிங். அவர் என்ன பண்ணுறாருன்னு அவருக்கு தெரியல. ஆர் ஹீ வுட் நாட் ஹாவ் ஆஃபர்டு மீ மணி. இல்லைன்னா எனக்கு எந்த மணியுமே அவர் ஆஃபர் பண்ணியிருக்க மாட்டார். ஜான் ஃபியூரியஸ்லி ஹீ இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங், ஆஃபர்ட் யூ மணி டேட்? உங்களுக்கு மணி ஆஃபர் பண்ணாரா? See here, let us understand better. It is given for our understanding. Baldwin is pressurized by Gresham to falsely declare that he does not remember the facts, but Baldwin refuses to do so. Okay, so Baldwin is pressurized by Gresham. Gresham is compelling Baldwin டு சே ஃபால்ஸ்லி. கோர்ட்டில் போய் ஃபால்ஸாக பொய் சொல்கிறாரு. ஐ டோன்ட் ரிமெம்பர், எனக்கு எதுவுமே ஞாபகம் இல்லை அப்படின்னு பொய் சொல்கிறாரு. பட் பால்வின் இஸ் ரெஃப்யூசிங் டு லை இன் த கோர்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ ஆஃபர்ட் யூ மணி டேட்? என்ன மணி உங்களுக்கு ஆஃபர் பண்ணார்? பால்வின் இஸ் டெல்லிங் he had put it aside ready for the emergency. If they don't convict him, he will hand it over to me. The law can't stop him. But if I live until tomorrow night, they will convict him. He says, God knows I want no share in bringing about his punishment. He breaks off. Evie pats his hand silently. Young man and old man, I have worked with him or for him the best part of my life. I am loyal to him. I have always been loyal to him. But when John Gresham ceases to be an honest man, John Gresham and I part company. Okay, so he had put it aside. Okay, so அந்த மணியை தனியாக வச்சுருக்காரு, ரெடி ஃபார் த எமர்ஜென்சி. எமர்ஜென்சிக்காக செப்பரேட்லி he is keeping some money. If they don't convict him, he will hand it over to me. If the court is not punishing him, he will give the money to me. The law can't stop him. So the law cannot stop him from giving me the money. But if I live until tomorrow night, they will convict him. But நான் நாளைக்கு நைட் வரைக்கும் உயிரோடு இருந்தேன்னா definitely he will get the punishment. ஏன் அப்படி சொல்கிறாரு? Can you understand? Because if he is tomorrow, if Baldwin is going to the court, definitely he will say the truth. ஏன்னா அவர் கண்டிப்பாக என்ன பண்ண மாட்டார், ஐ டோன்ட் ரிமெம்பர் அப்படின்னா எனக்கு எதுவுமே ஞாபகம் இல்லை அப்படின்னு கோர்ட்டில் அவர் கிரஷாமை சப்போர்ட் பண்ணி பொய் சொல்ல விரும்பலை. ஸோ சப்போஸ் இஃப் டுமாரோ ஹீ இஸ் கோயிங் டு த கோர்ட், ஹீ வில் டெஃபினெட்லி சே த ட்ரூத் அண்ட் ஹூ வில் கெட் த பனிஷ்மெண்ட்? கிரஷாம் வில் டெஃபினெட்லி கெட் த பனிஷ்மெண்ட். God knows I want no share in bringing about his punishment. Okay, so God knows. So கடவுளுக்கு தெரியும், I don't want any share in bringing about his punishment. He breaks off. So he is feeling little bit upset. So Eve is convincing, patting him. Pat அப்படின்னா அப்படியே தட்டி விடுறது. Okay, Eve pats his hand silently. Young man and old man, I have worked with him or for him the best part of my life. So I have worked under him during my best part of my life. I am loyal to him. So அவருக்கு நான் ரொம்ப லாயலாக தான், ஹானஸ்டாக தான் இருந்திருக்கேன். I have always been loyal to him. So always I was very much honest to him. But when John Gresham ceases to be an honest man, but John வந்து ஒரு honest man-ஆக இருக்கல அப்படின்னா, John Gresham and I part company. So definitely I will come away from him. அவர்கிட்ட நான் ரொம்ப லாயலாக ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருந்தாலும், ஹானஸ்டாக ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருந்தாலும், if he is not behaving honestly, definitely I will come away from him. So Martha weeping softly. So Martha is crying and she is calling Robert. So Robert Baldwin is the full name of Baldwin, right? So Baldwin is telling, I have got only a few years to live, but I will live those as I have lived the rest of my life. I will go to my grave clean. Okay, so definitely I am going to live only for some more years. So till that rest of my life, I should live a good life. I should live a clean life. That is when I am buried. Okay, when I am going to the grave, no one should call me as a dishonest person, because I want to be a honest person till my death. So John is asking to his dad, what did Gresham offer you? So Gresham உங்களுக்கு என்ன ஆஃபர் பண்ணுறேன்னு சொன்னார்? Baldwin, simply he is telling $100,000. Okay, $100,000. Baldwin is telling Gresham had offered, told me that he will be offering me $1 lakh, that is $100,000. Evie surprisingly she is asking, what? $100,000. See, something is given for understanding. So in order to tempt Balvin, Gresham offers him a huge bribe of $100,000, but Balvin doesn't accept it. Okay, so Balvinனை வந்து கோர்ட்டில் பொய் சொல்ல வைக்கிறதுக்காக Gresham is ready to offer him a bribe. Bribeனா என்ன? லஞ்சம். Okay, so bribe of how much? $100,000, but Balvin is not ready to accept the money from Gresham. Martha is also surprisingly asking, what, Robert Balvin, $100,000? So Balvin is telling, he put it aside for me without anybody knowing it. It is out of his private fortune, he says. It is not the depositors' money, as if that made any difference. Okay, so what Balvin is telling is, he put it aside. It refers to the money. So he put it aside for me without anybody knowing it. So யாருக்குமே தெரியாம அவர் இந்த மணி எனக்காக வச்சிருந்தாரு. It is out of his private fortune. So இது வந்து he had earned of his own. Okay, so it is not the depositors' money, as if they made any difference. So there is nothing to bother because it is not the money of depositors. It is the money earned by Gresham. If he offered you $100,000, okay, as if hypnotized. So hypnotized means இன்னும் அந்த ஷாக்ல இருந்தே வெளியில வராம ஈவ் என்ன கேக்குறாங்க, he offered you $100,000, உங்களுக்கு $100,000 கொடுக்குறேன்னு சொன்னாங்களா? Okay, Balvin smiling at her amazement. So Balvin is smiling at the surprise of whom? Surprise of Evie, and he is telling, I could have had it for the one word is, or even for nodding my head, or a look of the eyes. So Balvin என்ன சொல்றாரு சிரிச்சிட்டேனா, I could have had it. It means money. Okay, so ஒரு single word yes ன்னு சொல்லியிருந்தேன்னா I could have got the $100,000, or yes ன்னு சொல்லனா கூட even for nodding my head, சும்மா என் தலையை அசைச்சிருந்தனா கூட I would have got $100,000, or a look of the eyes, or okay அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி நான் அவரை பார்த்துருந்தேன்னா கூட I would have got $100,000. Who is telling? Balvin. How? So John is asking, how do you know he meant it? Okay, so John கேட்குறாரு, எப்படி தெரியும் அவர் $100,000 உங்களுக்கு? Definitely he'll be giving you. Balvin is telling, his word is good. Okay, so what he speaks will be always good. Who is telling? Balvin. John is asking, even now. So do you believe till his word is good? Because he had robbed the depositors money in the bank. So இப்போ கூட அவரோட வேர்ட்ஸ் பியூராக இருக்கும்னு how do you say? Who is asking? John is asking. So Balvin is replying, he never lied to me, John. Okay, so he had never spoken any lies with me. He passes after a pass. I suppose my eyes must have shown something I did not feel. He noticed it. He unlocked a drawer and showed me the 100,000. Okay, I suppose my eyes must have shown something I did not feel. So actually you have to understand this sentence. I suppose my eyes must have. I suppose நான் நினைக்கிறேன் my eyes must have shown something I didn't feel. நான் என்ன ஸோ ஃபேஸ் இஸ் த இண்டெக்ஸ் ஆஃப் த மைண்டுன்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ நம்ம என்ன நினைக்கிறோமோ அது நம்மளோட ஃபேஸ்லேருந்து, நம்மளோட ஐயோட எக்ஸ்ப்ரெஷன்லேருந்து நமக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டில் நின்றுட்டுருக்கவங்க தே கேன் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் இல்லையா? ஸோ லைக் தட் நான் எக்ஸ்ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணாத ஒரு விஷயம் என்னோட ஐஸில் தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும் அவருக்கு. ஸோ என்ன இவர் எக்ஸ்ப்ரெஸ் பண்ண விரும்பலை? he don't want to accept any bribe. bribeனா என்ன? லஞ்சம். Okay, so he don't want to accept any bribe. He wants to be an honest person. பட் என்னோட ஐஸில் நான் அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிக்கிற மாதிரி ஏதோ ஒரு ரியாக்ஷன் அவருக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கு. அதை அவர் மிஸ் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிட்டாரு. ஸோ he noticed it. He unlocked a drawer. So he opened a drawer and showed me the 100,000. அவர் ஓப்பன் பண்ணி எனக்கு $100,000 காட்டினாரு. ஸோ ஜான் ஆஸ்கிங், இன் கேஷ்? ஓகே, ஸோ கேஷாக காட்டினாரா? Balvin is replying, in $1,000 bills. They were genuine. I examined them. in $1,000 bill. So over a note it was $1,000. They were genuine, so all the money were not fake, they were real money. I examined them, I have checked the money. He was slowly telling, and for that he wants you to say I don't remember. So அந்த மணிக்கு $1,000க்கு ஓகே அந்த 3 வேர்ட்ஸ் சொல்கிறதுக்காகவா அவர் உங்களுக்கு $100,000 கொடுக்குறேன்னு சொன்னார். ஓகே, and for that he wants you to say I don't remember. Balvin is replying, just the 3 words only. Yes, if I just say those 3 words I don't remember, he's ready to offer me $100,000. John is telling, but you won't. Okay, ஆனால் நீங்கள் சொல்ல மாட்டீங்களே, but you won't. Balvin shaking his head, those 3 words would choke me if I tried to speak them. Okay, so what shaking his head in negative. Okay, Balvin is that is he's telling, yes, I will not say that for 100,000 money. Sorry, $100,000. Those 3 words would choke me if I tried to speak them. Okay, so if I say those words I don't remember, definitely it will kill me. Okay, so lifelong I have to suffer with the feel that I have told a lie. For some other man perhaps it would be easy. வேறு யாராவது இருந்தால் கண்டிப்பாக they'll be getting $100,000 and they'll be telling lie. But for me, all of my past would rise up and strike me in the face. என்னோட past life எல்லாம் என் முன்னாடி வந்து it will be striking me in the face for telling lie if I accept the $100,000 and if I say those 3 words I don't remember in the court. It would mean to the world that for years I had been living a lie. Okay, suppose if I am accepting the money and if I am telling lie in the court, what the people around me, what the people in this world will think me. So they will think that so far I had lived a life by telling lots of lie, that I was not the honorable man I thought I was. So the world is thinking that my friends, relatives, neighbors, my family members, everybody is thinking that I am a honorable man, honest man. But if I say lie, definitely it will kill me. When John Gresham offered the money, I was angry. Okay, so when John offered me money, John Gresham offered me money, I was angry. But when I rejected it and he showed me no surprise, then I was pleased. Okay, but when I rejected the money, he didn't show me any surprise, so I was happy, I was pleased. It was a compliment, don't you think so? ஸோ இது நான் ஒரு காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட்டாக நினைக்கிறேன். எனக்கு என்னது $100,000 எனக்கு கொடுக்குறத ஒரு காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட்டாக நினைக்கிறேன். ஜானிஸ்ட், see here something is given for our understanding again. So at this point, Gresham understands that it is impossible to persuade Balvin to accept the bribe. So Gresham is understanding that, so Balvin money bribe லஞ்சம் கொடுத்து அவரை ஒன்றும் கரெக்ட் பண்ண முடியாது அப்படிங்கிறத who is understanding? Gresham is understanding. Okay, John, so John is slowly telling, rather an expensive compliment, ஒரு பயங்கரமான காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் தான் இது உங்களுக்கு. Balvin is telling, yes, a compliment which cost you $100,000. ஓகே, ஒரு $100,000 உங்களுக்கு காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட்டாக கொடுக்கணுன்னு he is willing. Balvin is replying, a compliment which was worth $100,000. I have never had that much money to spend in my life, John. But if I had, I could not imagine a finer way to spend it. Okay, so a compliment which was worth $100,000. I never had that much money to spend in my life. என்கிட்ட எப்போவுமே I didn't have that much money to spend. But if I had, அவ்வளோ மணி ஒரு வேளை என்கிட்ட இருந்திருந்ததுன்னா, I couldn't imagine a finer way to spend it. Okay, அதை எப்படி ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணுறதுன்னு எனக்கு கண்டிப்பாக தெரிஞ்சிருக்காது, because we are not in need of that much money. John slowly he is telling, yes, I suppose so. ஆமாம், நானும் அப்படி தான் நினைக்கிறேன். he is telling slowly. Martha, after a pause, will the depositors lose much, Robert? Okay, so she is asking whether the depositors will lose much. நிறைய பணம் they will be losing. She is asking. Balvin is telling, the depositors will not lose a cent. We were able to save something from the wreck. Gresham and I, It was more than I had expected, almost twice as much, and with that Gresham has it will be enough. Okay, so Baldwin is telling the depositors will not lose a cent. The depositors கொஞ்சம் கூட லாஸ் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. We were able to save something from the wreck. So from the bank robbery we were able to save some money. Gresham and I had saved some money. It was more than I had expected, almost twice as much, and with that Gresham has it will be enough. Okay, and the money kuda it will be able to settle everything. That is the depositors money. EV is telling even without the 100,000, the 100,000 இல்லாம இன்னும் amount இருக்கா? Baldwin is not answering anything. John is asking, without the money that Gresham had put away for you, so அந்த money இல்லாம இன்னும் money இருக்கா? அந்த $100,000. Okay, Baldwin is telling, yes, I didn't know there was the 100,000 until today. Gresham didn't tell me. We reckoned without it. Okay, so I didn't know that properly. Gresham did not tell me. We reckoned. Reckoned means calculated without it. That is without the $100,000. Eve is telling, oh, John, and you made both ends meet. Okay, so will you able to balance both the, what is that? That is the robbery and the with that money. So இங்க இந்த பேங்க்ல லாஸ் ஆன மணியையும் அங்க இருக்கிற மணியும் whether you will be able to balance that. Who is asking? John. Baldwin, quite easily. Yes, easily we can balance it. Mr. Marshall is running the reorganization. Mr. Marshall of the Third National, he has not the least idea that it is going to turn out so well. Okay, so Mr. Marshall, so already we have seen who is Mr. Marshall. He is the head of the Third National Bank. He is doing the reorganization work. So இதெல்லாம் எப்படி சரி பண்றதுங்கற reorganization work he is doing. He has not the least idea that it is going to turn out so well. So definitely that idea will turn out very well. So there is a pass. So what is given for understanding is John and Eve are tempted by the huge amount of money offered by Gresham. Then they try to justify Gresham's act of offering Baldwin a bribe. So இவங்களோட conversationல இருந்தே we can understand what we can understand. $1,000 $100,000 அவர் கொடுக்குறாருன்னு சொன்ன உடனே ஜான்க்கும் ஈவ்க்கும் ஒரு ஆசை வந்துருச்சு அந்த மணி மேலே. they were tempted by the huge amount of money. Okay, so after that what they are doing is they are trying to justify. அதை வந்து என்ன சொன்ன it is good, Gresham பண்ணுறது குட் தான் அப்படின்னு ஜஸ்டிஃபை பண்ண ஆரம்பிக்கிறாங்க. யார்கிட்ட? பால்வின் கிட்ட. that is indirecta Baldwin they are asking to accept the bribe and say those 3 words, I don't remember. So John is telling they are going to punish Gresham, aren't they? So John is asking, definitely they are going to punish Gresham. Baldwin is telling, yes, I am also afraid so. John is asking, what for? எதுக்காக பனிஷ் பண்ணுவாங்க? Baldwin, misappropriating the funds of the depositors. Okay, so misappropriating na misusing the money for our personal use. மற்றவங்களோட மணியை நம்மளோட personal யூஸ்க்காக misuse பண்ணுறது. That is misappropriating the funds of the depositors. John interrupting. So he is interrupting in the middle and he is telling, oh, I know that, but what crime has he committed? Okay, but what crime has he committed? Baldwin, that is a crime, John. Okay, so misappropriating the money is definitely a big crime. Who is telling? Baldwin is telling. But if nobody loses anything by it, Eve is telling, but அதான் யாருக்குமே லாஸ் இல்லைன்னு சொல்லிட்டீங்கல்ல, டெபாசிட்டர்ஸ்க்குலாம் எந்த லாஸும் கிடையாது, they will not lose anything ன்னு சொல்லிட்டீங்கல்ல, then how it will be a crime? It is a crime nevertheless. So எப்படியா இருந்தாலும் it is a crime. John is telling, and they are going to punish him for it. So அதுக்காக whether they will be punishing him. See, so far நடந்த கான்வர்சேஷனில் எப்படி இருந்தது? Okay, so அந்த $100,000 அப்படிங்கிறது சொல்கிறது வரைக்கும் Eve and John were supporting his father and they were opposing Gresham. Okay, பட் அந்த $100,000 சொன்னதுக்கப்புறம் they were tempted by the money and இப்போ யாருக்கு they are supporting for கிரஷம். ஏன் அதுக்காகலாம் எதுக்கு பனிஷ் பண்ணணும்? அதுதான் அவங்க டெபாசிட்டர்ஸோட மணியெல்லாம் திருப்பி கொடுக்குற அளவுக்கு கிரஷாம் கிட்ட அமௌண்ட் இருக்குன்னு சொல்கிறீங்களா, தென் வை தே ஷுட் பனிஷ் ஹிம். ஓகே, லைக் தட் தே ஆர் சப்போர்ட்டிங் ஹூம், தே ஆர் சப்போர்ட்டிங் கிரஷாம் பிகாஸ் அவங்க அப்பா அந்த $100,000 வாங்கிட்டாங்கன்னா பரவாயில்லன்னு தே ஆர் திங்கிங். ஹூ இஸ் திங்கிங்? ஜான் அண்ட் ஈவ். தட் இஸ் தே வேர் டெம்ப்டட் பை த money offered by bribe offered by Gresham. Okay, Eve is telling, would it be such an awful thing, father, if you let him off? Balvin is smilingly telling, I wish I could, Eve, but I am not the judge. Okay, so what Eve is telling is, would it be such an awful thing, father, if you let him off? ஸோ அவரை எப்படியாவது எஸ்கேப் ஆக வச்சிட்டிங்க அப்படின்னா இட் வில் பி குட் இல்லையா? இட் வில் பி வெரி ஆஃபுல். பால்வின் இஸ் டெல்லிங், ஐ விஷ் ஐ குட் ஏவ் பட் ஐ எம் நாட் த ஜட்ஜ். கண்டிப்பாக அவருக்கு பனிஷ்மெண்ட் கிடைக்கலனா டெஃபினெட்லி இட் வில் பி குட் பிகாஸ் ஹீ இஸ் மை ஃப்ரெண்ட் ஃபார் த பாஸ்ட் 35 years we were working together and I am working under him as an employee, but I am not the judge to say that. Eve is telling, no, but you are the only witness against him. நீங்கள் ஜட்ஜ் இல்லை தான், பட் யூ ஆர் நாட் த ஒன்லி விட்னஸ். பட் நீங்கள் தான் அவருக்கு அகெயின்ஸ்டாக இருக்க ஒன்லி விட்னஸ். நீங்கள் இந்த ஐ டோன்ட் 3 words சொல்லிட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா, ஐ டோன்ட் ரிமெம்பர் சொல்லிட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா definitely he will not get any punishment. Balvin is shockingly telling Eve. Okay, so what are you telling Eve? So let us understand. John says that, okay, so let me stop with this. Let us continue in the next class. Okay, so before அந்த $100,000 அப்படிங்கிறது வர வரைக்கும் everyone is supporting Balvin, எல்லாருமே everyone is opposing Gresham. But after hearing that money, they were tempted by the money and they are asking his father indirectly to support whom? Gresham, so that they can get $100,000 from Gresham. Okay, so let me stop with this today. Let us continue in the next class. Thank you.